Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise. So in today's video, we're doing more modifications to the Lexus, and this one's going to be a very tasteful, very kind of visual thing, but it's going to be absolutely insane. So we're on our way over to Style Feelings Garage. It's going to be super awesome. I'm super excited. But as you guys saw in the title and thumbnail, you know exactly what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and jump to that right now. Alright guys, so we are here at the shop, and right now Peyton's actually going ahead and pulling out everything from the headliner, like the little handles and everything, so you can get the headliner out, also the A-pillars. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut a little bit of B-roll, but what this is going to look like is going to be absolutely insane. Like, I'm super excited to see the final result. Alright guys, so Peyton just got everything removed. We got, as you can see, the entire headliner removed, as well as the A-pillars. The A-pillars are going to have stars, as well as the whole roof. I'm super excited. I've always wanted this done. Like, I've seen it in Rolls Royces numerous times, where it has like the sparkling, twinkling stars and stuff. I'll be able to control it with my phone with like an app, be able to change colors. It's going to be super awesome. So it's going to be for like a few days, so we'll go ahead and skip to then. All right guys, so it is a couple days later, and we are going back to the shop to get the car finished up. But right now, like, without having the headliner in, it looks insane. Like, just look how gnarly that looks. It's just completely gutted. You can see the airbags going all the way around there. Got all that exposed wires and metal and plugs and everything up there. Like, this just looks insane. But like I said, we're heading over to the shop right now. Super early in the morning. We're going to get this done. It's going to look absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and jump to the shop. Alright guys, so I'm actually back home. This is a couple days later. This video's a little all over the place, but here we are in the car. I mean, like, with the main car light on, I still need to replace that. You don't really notice anything. You kind of see like the entire roof right here. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special, but here's where it gets amazing. I'm going to open my phone. I'm going to go to the app and watch this. Boom, just like that. Look at how amazing these are, and it has like this really nice twinkle that, I mean, this is like exactly like how a Rolls Royce is. I don't know the number count of stars on the Rolls Royce, but this entire setup is 750 stars, which to me looks absolutely amazing. You can see them twinkling there, different kind of sizes, different twinkles. It's not all symmetrical. Like this is just absolutely amazing. I love this. So Peyton definitely did an amazing job. So definitely go check out his social media. It's gonna be down in the description down below. If you guys are in San Antonio or in like close by areas, definitely hit them up. They can do this to your car. And like I said, this looks absolutely amazing, and this is never gonna get old. But I do want to show something else. So I did open up the app on my phone, and as you can see, or maybe not, that's actually a color wheel right there in the middle there. You can see some of that color there. I can actually pick different colors if I want. So I can just kind of go right here, make it red. There's green. There's like a blue, yellow. This is purple and like a teal color. But also I can go to, let's see, there's different modes here. I can have like different like RGB fade, so it'll fade through different colors, which you can kind of see that. There's all these different like effects. It's just absolutely like amazing. This is like way above and beyond what I really wanted. I just wanted white stars that can just kind of twinkle. You can also, speaking of twinkle, you can have speed 1, which is this right here, or I can ramp it up to speed 4, which it twinkles a lot faster, as you guys can see. But yeah, I just wanted white stars that twinkled. And what I got was so above and beyond. I absolutely love this. Like, this is insane. And something else I do want to point out that was kind of like a custom thing that I wanted done is the A-pillars. So as you can see, it actually comes down onto the A-pillars on both sides. But I did request that. But also, whenever you look at the visors, when you flip those down, because I went with the 750 star option, there is plenty of stars to go around. So that even up underneath the visors, which I just absolutely love that. So amazing. Like, I just can't get over how awesome this looks. Just like the twinkle, changing colors. But yeah, this, like, definitely go down in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about this, because this is my daily driver. And this is what I did to my daily. And like last night I drove it for the first time, like at night. And I don't have glare, don't have any bad reflections anywhere. It's actually like perfectly fine. I look in my mirror and I can see like the stars like in the roof here in the back, and it doesn't look bad at all. It actually looks amazing. It gives like that nighttime feel. And I feel like at night this would just be something really cool to be able to have and enjoy. But like I said, let me know what you guys think about this. This is my daily driver, and this is what it looks like now. And I'm super, super, super happy. Peyton, thank you so much for doing such a great job on this. If you guys want this, like I said, go check them out. Information is going to be down in the description down below. But if you guys like this video, definitely hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button so you can see all the crazy awesome stuff I have coming. I do have a lot of really huge things planned. A lot of things do take a little bit of time, so I'm working on that. I'm going to be doing a lot of other stuff in the meantime. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.